This DEWALT 60V FLEXVOLT chainsaw is equipped with a quick chain adjustment feature using an onboard wrench, making adjustments easy in the field. It's built for safety with limited kickback protection and a chain brake to help prevent accidental movement. The auto-oiling feature provides continuous lubrication, ensuring long-lasting performance and smooth operation over time. The high-efficiency brushless motor enhances durability and maximizes runtime, making it ideal for extended use on demanding jobs. This chainsaw delivers peak power comparable to a 50.2cc gas chainsaw, giving you the cutting strength of gas without the fuel. And with up to 2.43 times the torque of a 50.2cc gas chainsaw, it's engineered to handle heavy-duty cutting tasks with ease.